Oh shit! Oh.
I am Len. Kimmy. He's single.
Stop.
He's single. Well, as long as it's like flat in there. What up, witches, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolyn. It's very nice to meet your digital acquaintance. If you like room makeovers, home decor, DIYs, cleaning and organization, hit the subscribe button to join our online magical family. I know you guys will probably notice that I am wearing my AirPods right now. Michael said that it should help with my audio for my videos. He was so super sweet and bought these for me. I have been even using them non-stop. I love these earphones. They are so amazing for when I'm editing. But what I love even more is the case that I got for them. How many of you guys know what Digimon is? Are you a Digigested? I am. If you've been with me for a while, you will know that I am very Harry Potter obsessed. I even have a Harry Potter living room, which is why I like to refer to my room makeovers or transformations as transfigurations for all my fellow wizards and witches out there. I have already shown my living room a few times on my channel, but what I never showed you guys was my living room transfiguration. This video is going to be extra special because this is actually the first room makeover that we did ever, or at least the first one that we recorded. Grandpa was in the nursing home at the time, but we were really anticipating him coming home for Christmas, so we wanted to surprise him with a brand new living room to spend time with the family in. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, but he did get to see videos and pictures of it, and he was able to tell me that he really loved it on Christmas Eve. He told me to keep going, and that's why I'm here on YouTube. But let me just go ahead and give you a glimpse of what my living room used to look like before. Just a quick PSA that this was my first video, so some of the clips are really shaky. I'm so sorry about that. This room progressively changed so much over the years. When I was younger, it was a really antique living room with that gross green carpet you saw in my first bedroom makeover video. Then we got rid of it and decided to make it a gym. Then started slowly transitioning to make it more of a hangout spot. But when we finally bought our first ever couch, it was clear that this room needed to be our living room. This was our first really big home project, but it was for Grandpa, who I was ready to try anything for. Since we were ripping out the carpet, that meant we needed to remove everything from the room.
What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m.
If my pups were not so adorably distractive, I would probably never take a break and be so burnt out. So thank goodness for their cuteness. This waffle was Kylo's favorite toy until Maya and Hazel broke it. I'll have to get him a replacement once we make it back to Disneyland.
Catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all the game we can spend, the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as
Once the room was clear, I was so ready, hence my victory dance. I was so shook to see how easy it came off. Goodbye, carpet. You are not missed. Wow.
now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night.
This carpet was so freaking heavy, we eventually had to call Michael's sister Julie and our friend Christian over to help drag it out. I am one. Ew, look at all the dog oopsie stains on that carpet. And listen to the satisfying noise of this carpet being ripped out.
In the name of love, in the name of love, you think it's easy, yeah. Falling in love, well, maybe for you. I think it's
The fact that there was concrete under the carpet blew my mind. I highly expected wood baseboards, but nope. We have this ongoing inside joke in all the videos that Christian is in. I say joke, but I'm actually 90% serious. The inception of this quote-unquote joke stemmed from this video.
Hey guys, that dude right there, his name is Christian. He's very cute, he's sweet, he has a stable job, and he's single, so hit him up.
So, welcome to my first video, my living room transformation. Say hi.
Hello.
Single. He's single. He's single. I'll link his Instagram in the description.
Christian, leave. Leave. Why?
Ah!
Are you guys okay in the middle? Just walk by house. Bye, guys.
You close the door?
Did I close it?
I told you guys that carpet was so heavy.
It's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit.
Never did I think I would be vacuuming concrete, but there was so much dust that it filled an entire bag.
love. Gonna call you up and tell you.
The flooring I'm using in this video is the exact same that I have been using in all my other room transfigurations, so I won't go into crazy detail on how to install this. If you would like a more in-depth tutorial, I will link my room transfiguration playlist below and my sister-in-law Julie's room on the screen. The only thing I am doing differently here is the stair, which is just a lot of measuring and cutting smaller pieces, then assembling them to fit right up against that step. I don't have footage of Michael doing it, but we did need to use the nail gun and some finishing nails to make sure that they stayed.
The world's making people go blind. Solitary, ordinary, don't sit well with my gut. It's so strange, I'm not holding my tongue. Radio making me feel so numb. Stolen beats, they're on repeat, but come on, don't we all wanna be someone? God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. You're my worst enemy, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. 18 karat stuff just to feel it. Pretty diamond rocks 'cause I need it.
At this point in time, I already installed this floor maybe once or twice, but never on this scale. So by the time I got done with maybe a fourth of the floor, I was done. I was so sore the next day. The next morning when I woke up, Michael was so sweet and ended up finishing the rest of the floor. Normally I do the floor because, to be honest, Michael is not a very patient person, and since the grip strips are so strong, if you don't lay it right the first time, it gets stuck and you can't change it around. But I was so sore and tired that I just didn't care at this point. If you're using this floor, take your time or you'll end up having gaps between the planks.
Alright. I took over a little bit of the flooring. And, I kinda messed up. Don't tell Carolyn. Just kidding. No, work in progress so far. It's decent. I feel like I got a lot done. It's been like, how long's it been? What time did I start? It's 10:30. I started around, what time did I start? I don't know what time I started, but it's coming along. You know, my girlfriend, I know I need to work on it. But she's so sore right now, and right now she's working on orders for you guys while I'm doing this. All that. I don't even know if you guys can see I'm a little over halfway done. Okay, maybe a lot more than halfway done.
I'ma go too fast.
This video had a lot of firsts, including the time we scraped off the popcorn ceiling. We bought this tool thinking it would be easier and less messy because it comes with a bag, but honestly it was so heavy once it got full and everything still got dusty. The scraper was dull also, so yeah, I really just recommend using some water and a good old-fashioned hand scraper. I have carpal tunnel from being a massage therapist for like 3 years. So scraping the ceiling for me is not the business. So me and Christian are over here chilling while Aaron and Michael do some work. I just had to include this clip of Aaron, the time that he thought it was a good idea to vacuum the dust off him, because you just can't skip out on priceless memories like this. Hi.
Oh shit!
Oh my goodness. I know I say this in every video, but I really do love these floors, and I mean it. This was the most difficult ceiling to paint because it's vaulted. So not only did I need a ladder, but I also needed a paint roller extension. We call them power poles, like from Dragon Ball. I'm still super sore in this clip, so I'm using the little baby roller because it's much, much lighter than a full-size one. I get so many compliments on this lamp my grandma picked up in the Philippines, I believe. It's made out of shells, but I eventually added some flying keys to make it more wizardy. My heart was just ready to burst from all the happiness when it was finally time to decorate. Seriously, even empty, this looks great. At the time, we didn't know how to replace the baseboards yet, but we will definitely be replacing them at some point.
I know we just met, but it feels like I know you.
This giant couch was literally a gift from God. This sectional originally retails for $3,000 at Costco, but I got this brand new on Facebook Marketplace for only $500. It was used for staging houses, and the owners were just looking for a replacement, so I was unbelievably lucky.
I'm having a hard time not to.
The rug under the couch, like all the others in my house, is from Ross. If you see something at Ross you like, you just gotta go get it and save it because it will not be there when you come back, trust me. I slowly collected the furniture pieces for this room over 6 months from Ross because I knew I would use it and the deals were just too good. Okay, freeze. I just want to point out this little room in the back right here because this room has been through such an astronomical change as well, but I didn't film the process of it. I do have some before clips to show you back when it was straight ugly. I first changed up this room because I needed a spot to handle my Etsy work with good lighting, but once my cousin moved out, I ended up getting an actual office, which I will be posting a tour of very soon. I currently have my coffee bar in here, and I plan to make this my reading nook.
Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch.
Alright, here is another one of those collected purchases I made from Ross. This coffee table was only $40 and the poofs were $20 each.
Bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof. Don't wanna shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself.
Michael is here to rescue me from my lack of knowledge and ability to use power tools because I clearly can't install shelves or really anything without him. These larger shelves are from Home Depot, and the 3-tiered shelves that you're about to see are from Ross. I got these so that my Harry Potter collection could be utilized as decor, but also have a happy new home.
Don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
I know a lot of you must have already seen my living room, but because this is a room transfiguration video, we just have to do a satisfying before and after, right? My living room is currently one of my most favorite places to hang out in the house now. I love it so much, and not just because it's Harry Potter themed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, then click the bell so you can be notified for new videos. I will be posting a ton of Christmas content coming up, so you definitely do not want to miss that. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye-bye.